If your car is drinking or consuming more fuel than articulated car, then don't blame anybody but blame your fuel injectors. Fuel injectors are responsible for providing energy for your car engine. So when they become sick, automatically your car engine too will become sick. Fuel injectors are strategically placed in a very tight corner of your engine, but thank God it is not a rocket science, so you can do it. All you need is be vigilant. Open your eyes well and identify all the bolts in it and remove it. With this small car, you need to disconnect 6 parts before you can bring the nozzle or you can bring the whole thing out. You need to lose 2 bolts. Then you need to disconnect the nozzle mouth and then disconnect the socket, the 3 sockets. If your traditional physical shop is selling it at a higher price, don't worry. You can order it online. Freedom of the people, by the people, for the people. There is more pin attached to the injectors. Please don't throw it away. The new one doesn't have these pins. You have to put these pins back. You have to put it on the new ones. So after removing it, make sure it is clean. If it is clean, then there is no wahala. Cut or open the new ones. Before putting the new ones, you have to put the pins. There is a circle cut line, two line. You have to put it to the top. We have top and down. We have to put it to the inside the top circle cut line. If you fix it inside, then fix it to the nozzle. It is very easy to install it. The only problem is how to get this nozzle from the engine part. That is where the problem is. But if you are patient enough to look at the bolt and the obstacle attaching to these injectors, you can do it by yourself. When doing it, make sure your engine is cold, otherwise your hands would be burned. After fixing everything, then put it back and make sure you put the socket, the socket that you removed, the 3 socket, put it back, and then the nozzle mouth, put it inside its socket, and then put these 3 mouths in their rightful places. After that, tighten it and then make sure you have not left anything uncovered. Thank you. Bye bye. Please subscribe, like.